Hey everyone! Today, I'm showing you how to create ultra-realistic African avatars using completely free tools. Whether you're building your personal brand or just want a stunning image for your content, this tutorial is for you. I'll walk you through step by step using one prompt across 3 different platforms, and you'll get to see which one gives the best results. Let's get started and bring these beautiful characters to life. Wow!
Okay, so already I've prepared the prompt right here on ChatGPT. So all we need to do now is to copy it, and then we're going to be using it on 3 platforms. Same prompt, but in different platforms. So we're gonna start right here on Puclumen. So what we need to do, you come here to click on create, and then come here on describe your image. So I'm gonna just paste the prompt and then come here to the model. So I'm gonna go with Puclumen at v1. Okay, let's just come here and then see the first results. Let's click right here, and then this is the a beautiful ultra realistic image that I got from Puclumen. So you can just regenerate if you find that there are some of the features that you don't want on the image. So for me, I will just leave it like that, and then I'm gonna visit another website, and then the website that we're gonna go to is Leonardo AI. So what we need to do, you click right here on image. Okay, so there are lots of models that you can just choose from. So I'm gonna go with Phoenix 1.0, and then just paste the prompt on this prompt box, and then you come here to the image dimensions, and then I'm gonna go with 16 by 9, and then I'm gonna leave the number of image the way it is. So here are some of the results of the new image that I've just generated. Let me just click right here and then have a look at the results. So this is so beautiful, everything is up to the standard, and then I'm just happy with the results. So you can just come here to download the image if you are happy with it, or else you can just generate, and then remember it's gonna take 26 of your credit, and then else yeah, when you are done with the 150 that you get daily, you can just wait for another 24 hours for the refills. Okay, so now we're gonna move to another website where you can be able to generate the image for free. This website is a Gemini or by Google. So what we need to do, you can just ask Gemini, and I'm gonna just paste the prompt right here. So since Gemini doesn't have the option to select the size of the image, so I'm gonna just come here to and write 16.9 ratio, so that it knows that it has to generate this size of the image. So I'm gonna just click submit. So as you can see, it has generated the image for me, and then it's so beautiful, it's the way I wanted. And then the only problem was the size. The size is a little bit smaller than the normal size that I am actually looking for. I need the 16 by 9 ratio. That is why on this one I just mentioned that on this, so that it can just generate exactly as I want. So these are the results. Let's just have a look at them. Oh my god, this is so beautiful, the blanket, and then the guy is wearing the traditional uh, African attire, South Zulu attire, and then the blanket, it represents the Basotho. So this is actually beautiful. Even the studio looks much of an African colors, and then I'm just happy with everything. So and you can just download you can just download the image right there. So what we're going to be doing now, okay, so now we need the script so that our avatar can actually speak. So what I'm going to be doing with the help of ChatGPT, I'm gonna just copy the first script. This is where the lady will be speaking. So the website that I'm going to be using for this is called a Poppop AI. So Poppop AI is going to help us into generating the voice over for our avatar. So what we need to do, we come here to the voice cloning. Okay, then after clicking on the voice cloning, you come here to clone your voice, and then we come here to input voice information. So I'm gonna just name the my voice Valerie. I'm gonna use my name, and then come here as I'm a female. I'm gonna just click on female, and then come here to continue, and then I'm just gonna leave it on a default microphone and click continue. And then the system will actually will automatically just give me the script so that I can use it to load my voice. So when you are ready, you can just come here to start recording. In the quiet moments of the morning, as the sun rises and the world begins to stir, there is a sense of peace and possibilities in the air. And then when you are ready, you can click stop recording so that the you can able to save it, and then you can just preview your recording. And then if you find that if you're just making some mistakes and then you want to start recording, you can do that by clicking on this restart, or else you can just click clone your voice. Okay, so I'm gonna just click it, but unfortunately I'm on a basic plan user. I can only clone up to 2 voices per month, and then already I have done that, so there is no option for me to go through with this. All right, so this is just to show you on how to use the Poppop AI cloning. Okay, so what we're going to be doing right now, we're gonna go to text to speech. Okay, so when you are on a text to speech, just click on this arrow, and then you will find the Poppop AI voices that are available for you to use. So you can just go through them and then find a voice that will be sound very natural for you to be able to go ahead with your videos. Remember, we don't want those robotic voices. So since we have just cloned my voice, then there's no need for me to come to these voices. I'm just gonna come here to my voices. That's where you're going to find the voice that you just cloned. Okay, so these are the available voices. All you need to do is to select one of the voices that you just cloned, and then you can start using them. So I've just selected one, and then all I need to do is to type or paste your text here. So I've just pasted the prompt or the script that I got from ChatGPT, and then I'm gonna just click generate. Okay, so when you're done generating, you can just listen to the voice right here, or you can just click on this arrow to download your voice. So okay, we are done here on Poppop AI. So what we're going to be doing right now is to go to the Pexelverse to generate the video. So we are in Pexelverse. All you need to do is to bring one of the images that you created on those platforms. Okay, so I'm just gonna click right here and then bring one of the images. So let me just take this one, click here. Okay, so now the next step is to describe the content you want to create. So you want to create a video with the image. So you need to make sure that you give the AI a prompt where it's going to command it to do exactly as you want it to do. Okay, so I'm gonna just paste something right here. The woman on the left talks like she's filming a YouTube video, Her movement smooth and expressive with no glitches or awkward motion. The man on the right pays a close attention, gently nodding to show his agreement. Let's come here on the settings. So we're gonna just leave it on 5 seconds, or else it's gonna take more credit. Okay, so and then we're also gonna leave it on a 360p, and then we can come here to the camera movement. So there are lots of camera movement that you can choose from, so you can just select the one that you prefer. Let me just go with a dollar zoom. I don't know how is it going to do, but let's just give it a try. All right, and then with the motion, you can just leave it on standard motion. This one is going to take a lot of credit, of which is going to take a double, is 20 plus 20. So we're going to just leave it on standard mode. So you can also add the auto a sound. You can just click on this arrow if you want it, and then you need to make sure that you describe that sound, and then when you are done, then you can just click on create. It's just as I feel like everything is fine. The lady is speaking, the guy is just smiling and listening to the lady, as I wanted it to be like that. So I'm actually just impressed. So all you need to do, you can just click on this video, then the video will be available on your computer. So we're gonna just visit this last website. Is called a DreamFace. So on DreamFace is going to help us into combining the video that we just made on Pexelverse and the voice that we got from Poppop AI. So after bringing the video into the DreamFace, you just need to come here to the voice. Okay, so you go here to uploads, and then you click on uploads from the device, and then you bring one of the voices that you just generated from the pop-up. Okay, so I'm just gonna come here to generate. Okay, so let's just have a look to the final results. So I'm gonna just click right here.
No, I love how more people are finally starting to appreciate the richness of African beauty. It's more than just looks. It's the culture, the confidence, the bold.
Okay, so that's so beautiful. The guy is speaking.
I love how more people are finally starting to appreciate the richness of African beauty. It's more than just looks. It's the culture, the confidence, the boldness.
Oh, that's so beautiful, man. And then this is how easy it is to create ultra realistic avatar using your own voice. Okay, so that's all for today. So another thing that you can do before I go, you can remove these watermarks on this website. It's called Super Work AI. So I've got a video where I'm actually showing on how to remove the watermark, as we don't want to see those watermarks like this Pexelverse AI. We don't want to see it. We can just remove, you can just remove it on that website or any other platform that you prefer. Okay, so I'm just gonna attach the video so that it can be easy for you to access it. So thank you so much for watching the video. I will see you in the next one.